Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Isila and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is Joshua, leading with courage to the end. Joshua began his leadership with a command from God. Be strong and courageous. Moses had died, and Joshua now had to lead the people into the promised land. God did not tell him to trust himself. God told him to trust God's words and God's presence. His courage came from knowing that the Lord was with him. Many years later, when Joshua was old and near death, he gathered the people one last time. He reminded them of everything God had done, from Abraham to the conquest of the land. Then he gave them a clear choice. Choose this day whom you will serve. And he declared, as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Joshua finished the same way he started, with courage rooted in faith. He did not slowly drift away from God. He remained steady. This shows that the perseverance of the saints. God keeps his people faithful to the end. True faith continues because God sustains it. Joshua's legacy was not only military victory, it was spiritually consistency. He led his family and influenced the whole nation. His life points forward to Christ, the greater Joshua who leads his people faithfully into eternal rest. So ayun po sa Joshua chapter 24 verse 14 to 15, now fear the Lord and serve him with all faithfulness. Throw away the gods your ancestors worship beyond Euphrates River in Egypt and serve the Lord. But serving the Lord seemed undesirable to you. Then choose for yourself this day whom you will serve, whether the gods your ancestors served beyond Euphrates or the gods of Amorites in whose land are living. But as for me and household, we will serve the Lord. So ayon po sa ating katuruan, Joshua led Israel to greater heights. So si Joshua ay isang strong leader na ginamit ng Diyos para dalhin ang Israel sa promised land. And Joshua led his family to remain faithfulness to God. So sa Joshua 24:15 sinabi niya, as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. And Joshua pointed the people to Jesus Christ. So kahit Old Testament si Joshua, his life points to Jesus, obedience, courage, and complete trust in God. And sa applications naman, lead now, preserve, persevere, and finish well. So hindi kailangan ng position para maging leader, and leave a legacy of faithfulness to God, and live for Christ, and be willing to die for Christ. So na lang po, maraming salamat.